Before we get started, subscribe to this channel. And this is a good channel to subscribe to. It's called Welding and Stuff. What is the other stuff? We do cooking, we do working on vehicles, just a lot of little stuff. And we get straight to the point, you know, especially during this pandemic, epidemic, or coronavirus, whatever you guys want to call it. A lot of stuff you're going to have to learn how to do on your own, because a lot of places ain't coming to your house, or they don't want to work on your vehicles. And if they do, they're going to charge you an arm and a leg. The other day, my little brother called me. He said, man, my fan stopped blowing here in my Dodge Ram. He said, what you think the problem is? I said, well, the first problem is it's a Dodge Ram. You need to get you a Tundra. So that'll clear that problem up right there. But sometimes it's the simple things that you need to check, because he called around and these people want to change out his blower. They want to do everything. They want to charge him thousands of dollars. Sometimes it's just a $6.99 problem. I'm going to show you what the problem was when I went over to my brother's house. I told him I was going to edit this video, but I'm going to play it as is. You know, they're talking in the background. I'm going to show you what we did. And I may put a little voiceover in certain places. Check this out. When? Okay, here's the problem. The $6.99 fuse. This is the fuse. The 40 amp fuse had blown. You know, you have the relay and you have the fuse. So it made me think it was the fuse when it went right out. But there go the fuse box right here. We already took the fuse out. You can get this at AutoZone, or you can look in the description below if you want to purchase one of these. So we're going to open this box up, this fuse box. Get my brother to open it up there. And if you look to the top, you'll see where all the fuses are located. Like I said, we already took this fuse out, so we know where it's located. It's right there, that 40 amp fuse. So we took it out and took it to AutoZone, and they gave us a replacement. And I'm gonna get my brother to put it back in. And this is what happened after we replaced the fuse. Well, that sounds not safe. Ow! Make sure you ain't got no tools.
They gonna hit your ass bone. You say smart, man.
They gonna tell me it was something, the motor and...
You got all the tools out there.
Yeah, I got
Oh yeah, that's all that was. Just that little one fuse. That's crazy.
It's crazy.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on your notifications, and share this video. Also leave comments. Thanks for watching Welding and Stuff.